Okay, thought I'd do a quick video on cleanup. Make sure I can see that. Yep, you might be able to see there's flash all sorts of places. Beautiful, not hard to get off, and then they're not that bad. Now with this one I've already taken off the pips along the top. Actually, no, that one I have. Just run down that with a big file. It usually does it. I tend to use the finer files on the corners. What I will do is, as I work my way around the vehicle, I will fit as I go. So you can see here there's quite bad flash on the insides of the ends here, a bit on top. So let's get rid of that. A little bit on the inside there. Yeah, all gone. Again, we'll do the edges, do the corners. They've got to fit nice and tightly. Bit of roughing up's not going to hurt either to get the adhesive or solder into the joint. Clean it all up, get rid of the oxide. And we'll just make sure they fit. Yeah, there's a little bit of something going on in there. There we go, in the files. Tidied up this morning so I can't find anything. Spend more time looking for stuff, I think, than I do anything else. But anyway, it is what it is. And this is my messy, supposedly, workbench. Alright, well I won't bore you with too much of this because it's pretty mind-numbing, so I'll catch you later. One thing I've become aware of with these white metal kits is they do bow and bend very easily. I'm not sure if you can see it there. You can see it better there. The sole bars aren't that straight. Fortunately, being a soft metal, look at the other one, same in the other one. Fortunately, being a soft metal, very easy to fix, and mate, just keep an eye on that. I missed it on one, and yeah, there's one there that's just a little bit off because of it. Yeah, I've noticed a few little dimples on the insides of these. I don't know if I can see it. There they are. They're just little moulding marks, defects in the mouldings. I'm going to have a go at patching them with a bit of solder and see how we go. So yeah, hopefully I won't wreck it, and I'll be back later. I'm back with Dremel. I'm just using a wire brush on these. It brings it down quite quickly. Doesn't seem to do a huge amount of damage, and at the end of it I'll reinstate the planking and wood effect. So here goes. Too bad. I don't mind a little bit of roughness there. Right, they can't go a hole, so. And done. Turn you off. Alright, get just quietly. Yeah. Sometimes I can do these freehand, other times I'm going to need a ruler. Need a ruler on that one, I think. No. Okay, that's better. Much better. And do this without it slipping, which would be wonderful for video. No, that's alright. This is right. Yes. Right through the middle there. Oh well. That one's okay. There you go, just a little bit. These ones need just a touch up. There you go. Do it the other way, at least I won't get the roller flat. A little bit difficult, this plank. That's not too bad. And then lucky last, a little bit of a touch with a steel brush. Try and get a bit of wood grain effect there. This will be bare timber, so yeah, it'll be a bit ruddy and scratchy and splintery. There, and done. I think that looks a lot better.